If you have been very successful with application into the Ghana Armed Forces portal, then at this time, you should be getting ready for stage two, which is what we call screening or documentation. So I've mentioned in my previous videos already, that's one of the critical stages that you'll be advancing to if you had been successful with the application. The application portal is yet to close. So in so few days time, it will have been closed. And after that, communication concerning what you should be doing in readiness for the screening will come to you via a text message or an email. Is that okay? And of course, during the application process, you selected a center within the regions across the country where you feel you want to do your screening over there. So that is where you are going to be going for the screening exercise. If you are somebody who is not residing in that particular region, then you should take note that you have to make an arrangement for accommodation. For instance, if you are going to Upper West region and you are staying in somewhere Ahafo region, it means that you need to go there and sleep over before you get to the screening center the following morning. I hope that's very clear. So information of this kind will help you. I've done a couple of videos already on the screening and the processes leading to it. Documentations are very critical as part of the screening. So the service says during your screening, bring true copies of all the certificates that you have loaded on the portal. So BEC set, WASI set, if it is birth certificate, and all the things that you feel you have loaded. If you are a tradesman, you have a special skill, you loaded your testimonial or a certification showing that you have that particular skill. You are going to be presenting all these documents in their original forms at the screening center. Then I'm advising you, by the time you are going as well, make sure you run copies of your certificates, right, or your documents, so that at every point in time, when you are asked to present any photocopy of it, you can be able to present it. So run 3 copies at least of each of the documents and hold that to yourself before you go for the screening. Certificates are indication of checks where the service is able to compare the data you have submitted to the true verified copies of the things you have in terms of certification. So this is not a time for you to be giving excuses. My certificate is not in, my certificate has done that, my name tag is missing, my this is missing. No. You know how service operations are, which is why you want to join. There are things that